Going down the stream, gonna go happily. Gonna make us see just how beautiful it can be. Hi, Gideon. Good job. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Woo! My turn, Ma? Okay. Going to the big bridge, going to see what they see. Gotta go everywhere, gonna be so beautiful. Let's float, Daddy. We don't seem to be, we'll steer a little bit, but let's just relax and float. Yeah, Gideon. So we can. Why? Yeah, you're the man. You're the man. So Daddy's steering. He's doing awesome. We're just floating down the river. I mean, it's actually relatively calm in comparison to what we thought. We thought going down this part would be... Hi. Hi, Gideon. Hi, Gideon.